What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today, as you can already tell, we're gonna be watching some very satisfying instant karma and instant justice moments. And also thank you very much for the love and support. I love y'all guys too. And now, with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alright, we are now in a country where the spiders are jumping higher than the kangaroos. Whoa! When you have to work but you decide to have a little bit of fun as well. That dude is rolling with style. He went full Tokyo drift in the middle of Australia. Oh no, I hear sirens. I feel bad for that guy because that was kinda awesome. And now when they ask him what the hell are you doing, he's gonna be like,
me? Just hanging around.
And I also heard that in Australia the police can take away your car even if you do a smallest slide. Is that true, guys? Whoa, whoa, be more patient, you dingleberry. What the hell was that? How stupid you have to be to do that in front of a cop. I mean, it's still stupid even if the police is not there, but if they're right in front of you, doing this is... I don't know how to describe it. You discovered a new level of stupid. And now he's trying to act as if nothing happened. And even though this is not GTA, he's got 3 stars on his ass for doing that. And unfortunately for him, he can just go to the Los Santos Customs to lose the wanted level. But will he try? We'll see. The 5-0 is now like, come on, pull over already, dude. Everybody saw what you did. And on the other hand, the driver is like...
Accusations! These are not accusations. This is false accusations.
But anyways, let's move on. Oh boy, we are back in Australia. Prepare your cooking pans, guys, because we have to defend ourselves from those jumping spiders. And speaking of jumping, that dude just jumped the red light. And apparently hiding in plain sight is not always a good idea after all. Let's see here. Is that a police? Or it's a just random escalate who is trying to escalate the situation? Oh, whoop whoop!
Got him!
At first I was like, what the hell is Popo doing? And then they hit him with that whoop whoop, and then I realized it wasn't them in that caddy. And then there is this guy who is probably wondering why is everybody driving on the wrong side of the road. And the police is like, oh wait, that's illegal. Stop right there, you criminal. Let's see here. Whoa, 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 dude. Who lost his lawnmower? Is there a phone number we can call so the owner can get his stuff back? The lawnmowers are wilding these days. And judging by the position of the dashcam car, the police is right there, yeah. And now they're like, what's the matter? The VTAC didn't kick in, huh? Oh my days, fam. Oh, behold everyone, the mighty Crown Vic is here. I think that's the most famous police car ever in the world. And this guy here is like, I'm just gonna turn right here on the red, hopefully no one's gonna see me. Oh, for God's sake. I did this for the first time in 20 years and now you guys decided to show up. I wonder if he's only gonna get away with a warning. But anyways, on to the next one we go. Excuse me, coming through. Sorry guys, it's not my fault, I don't have a license. That was a clean red. And the Popo is immediately on the case, which is nice. Back to Aussieland again. Let's see what is going on now. Oh, whoop whoop. I think he went through a stop sign. Well, we all do it sometimes. You just slow down and feel kinda lazy to stop. When there's no one around, of course. I love the reactions of the dashcam guy. It's hilarious. But anyways, let's see here. Oh, that's a big no-no. Whoop whoop. If you're doing something like that, you're really pushing your luck. You are really pushing your luck.
Come on now, power! Woo! Ooh, I'm speed, baby.
Alga prži lik, nema mrdanja. That dude got carried away a little bit. And now he's like, sorry officer, but I was running away from my responsibilities. No, so long, peasants. This lane is empty and no one is using it. Now, jokes aside, guys, I think that guy was already running away from them. Judging by his speed, of course, but maybe I'm wrong, you'll see. Oh, looks like he stopped. Or did he? Oh, he did. It turns out he wasn't running away after all. He was just being a dingleberry. But let's see here. Oh, he went over the double solid line. No, 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 no. That's only okay when you have the blue and red lights on the top of your car. And the dashcam guy was like, oh, this is getting interesting. I'm gonna follow them and see what's going on. But anyways, we are moving on. Let's see what's the deal here. Which dingleberry is gonna pull the trigger first? There goes the Jeep. There goes another car. You stupid! The cop was literally in your face. And the guy in the sedan doesn't feel like pulling over today, so he decided to back off and let the Jeep take one for the team, let's put it that way. Sportsmanship at its finest. And the Tesla is like, power, eat my electric dust. I think Elon Musk should work more on that customer brain update. Because clearly they need one ASAP. But anyways, let's see here. Right from the get-go, that Charger looks suspicious in terms of, I think that's a 5.0. But the Chevy guy doesn't think so. He thinks that's a civilian car, but apparently it's not. He's probably now trying to come up with a good excuse why he did that. And I think he doesn't even know why he did that, because that was so unnecessary. I can't see a single reason why would someone do that. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's off with that shopping cart. I didn't even know you can put a license plate on it. And the worst part about this is when people don't even want to acknowledge their mistake, you know? But in any case, let's move on. Oh, that's a nice Range Rover. He has money, get him! Get him, 5.0, get him! I think he turned on red. Or maybe not, I'm not sure, but they're pulling him over, so he probably did. No, stay in your lane, no, no, no. We all know what a blacked out car means. A blacked out Ford Explorer, to be exact. Oh, there we go, there we go. He really asked for it, so we are gonna move on to the next one. I think that SUV turned left from a straight only lane, but I'm not sure. I think that's the case here. It certainly looks like it, but we'll see if he gets hit with a whoop whoop. Then we'll know. Oh, there we go. There we go. He was probably like, yes, yes, and then no, 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 when he saw the lights. And this guy here is bending the rules a little bit, but we all know he's not gonna get away with it. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's very satisfying Instant Karma episode. And if you want to see more of these, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, thank you very much for watching again. That's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.